Cochrane Central Library is actually a wonderful place to find randomized control trial for your systematic review. The reason for that, the researchers, the randomized control trial, the prior to undergo, they are supposed to be registered. Most of them are supposed to be registered in Cochrane Central Library. So the importance of taking them, when you take one of this research, it will, already if they have done, you can find them using your personal, the library service facilitated by your university or the Google Scholar. That will ultimately help you to find the whole research. The importance of that is finding that research will either, you cannot be predicted the results has been the significant positive or negative. That is the most important thing in a systematic review. The most of the publication, most of the journals are sort of, I'm not saying that they are bound to, sort of tend to publish the results with the significant findings. In that case, that bias can be avoided by using Cochrane Central, which already have been registered for future. The randomized control trial might have been finished when you are conducting your systematic review to avoid that bias. So let's see how do you find this Cochrane Central Library randomized control trial full research using Cochrane Library. So for that, you need to log into the Cochrane Library. So we'll search the Cochrane Library. It's already here. Okay, you just Google that and you go to Cochrane Library. Cochrane Library, this is the first page, home page that we'll see, right? So either you sign in or not, right? Some countries, they have facilitated this the facility for free of charge. So I'm a Sri Lankan and I'm using that. I'm privileged to use that information from the Cochrane. But still, I do have account. If you want an account, it's really simple. Go that you can register. Even if you don't have an account, you can use this. So what I'm going to do is I'm using my search strategy, which I have made for my systematic review. So I'm doing a systematic review on diabetic 2 patient glycemic control using motivational interviewing. So I'm using that the search strategy here. For that, to get an optimum search strategy here, you should use the advanced search, right? And advanced search, in here you can go to the search limits. What I have picked is the trials, right? The trials, Cochrane Library publication date, all dates. With central trials only publication year, I have selected 2010 to 2020. And it is important, do not pick this one, search word variation. Say the paid will find pay, pays, paid. That will misguide your whole search, will give you million or thousand of search results which is not related to you. Because I need the what you call motivational interviewing, and I have made my search strategy. So I don't want this, like adding some words and relative words for that. So I'll go ahead with my original search strategy. So apply limits, and then you can run search. When you run search, yeah, it is 67 trials. 67 trials matching my search strategy, right? So when you find something like that, and suppose you need to find one of these published or registered randomized control trial full text. But unfortunately, these are the guidance. These are just the information of registered trial prior to they underwent on the trial. So finding the full text, if they already have been published, right? So this has been what you call 2019. They have registered in 2019. So possibly this research might have been conducted now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking this, the topic, the citation topic, copy, and I will go back to the Google Scholar. I will paste it. When you paste it, we'll see, yes, here it is, right? So this is the randomized control trial, which is registered in Cochrane Center. Yes, it is available here. So abstract, result, conclusion, everything is available there. But unfortunately, Google Scholar either do not give sometimes access for your whole full text, right? So in that case, I'm using my university Met search in strategy, which gives me, it's a wonderful opportunity that I have got from my university. They access almost every research paper, article or journal article free of charge. So when I paste it, yeah, I hope I will find, yes, it is here. The research have been conducted. So the full text easily can be obtained from here, right? Either any of these journals, I can get the full text. So using Cochrane library is golden for your systematic review. Actually, the Cochrane is the sea of systematic review. That is the place for systematic review, and using Cochrane Central Library to find out the randomized control trial will be golden opportunity for you to avoid bias of the journals which tend to be publishing significantly positive results. Hope this will help you.